Good day everyone, this is Glyza Landoon together with my partner Justin Borato. Today we will present to you the overview of the Philippine Disaster Management System. Introduction. The Philippines, being prone to natural disasters like typhoons, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, has developed a robust disaster management system. The Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010, RA 10121, reformed the country's approach to disasters, emphasizing risk reduction over disaster response. So the paragraph says that the Philippines often experiences disasters like typhoons and earthquakes. So the government created RA 10121 to improve disaster management. This law changed the focus from reacting after a disaster to preparing and reducing risk before it happens para ma-lessen damage. So let's proceed to key structures of the Philippine Disaster Management System. Number 1. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. The NDRRMC is responsible for ensuring the protection and welfare of the people during disasters. It coordinates national efforts and integrates DRRM into national policies. So meaning the NDRRMC is the national group that makes sure people are safe during disasters. Sila ang nag-guide o nag-coordinate sa different agencies para ma-prepare, ma-respond o ma-recover ang whole country. They also help put disaster plans and policies into our national system para mas ready sa kalamidad. Number 2. Office of Civil Defense. The OCD is the implementing arm of the NDRRMC. It is responsible for overseeing DRRM initiatives and ensuring proper disaster preparedness measures are in place across different regions. So meaning, the OCD is like the action team of the NDRRMC. Sila ang nag-implement sa mga plano and instructions para sa disaster preparedness. Their job is to make sure na ang mga regions ready kung may kalamidad, like trainings, drills, and coordination with LGUs. So basically, sila ang nag-monitor o nag-guide sa mga lugar para prepared tanan in case may bagyo, linog, or uban pang disaster. So, example, kung may bagyo na maabot, ang OCD nag-coordinate sa mga LGU para ma-sure na ready ang evacuation centers, emergency kits, or rescue teams. Sa yun ma-prepare ang mga tao before pa mabot ang kalamidad.
Number 3. Local DRRM functions. LDRRMC, each local government unit, LGU has its how DRRM consists as will implement proper disaster management program and responding to disaster in their jurisdiction. For example, sad siya ang matag lungsod ang barangay na ay kaugaling LDRMC. Sila sad ang unang respond in panahon sa kalamidad o mutabang aron matabangan ang mga tao kung na ay disaster. Number 4. Philippines Institutes of Volcanology and Seismology, PVOC and PAGASA. PVOC and PAGASA play critical role in monitoring geological and weather-related hazard and providing early warning system for communities at stake. For example, ang PVOC daw sila ang una gabantay sa bulkan o linog and ang PAGASA sila ang monitoring sa panahon o mga bagyo sila ang gahatag o early warning aron andam ang mga komunidad sa dili papadulungay ang disaster.
First is risk assessment and mapping, identifying hazards in vulnerable areas. So meaning, risk assessment and mapping is the process of identifying what hazards they represent in a community, like floods, earthquakes, landslides, and including which areas are the most vulnerable. This helps people prepare and reduce possible damage. Second is early warning system. Implementing systems to notify communities of impending disasters. So meaning, early warning systems are tools or methods used to alert communities before a disaster happens. This system gives people enough time to evacuate, prepare, or protect their belongings.
Capital building, training and education people to ensuring they are prepared for disaster. For example, ganito sila ang training sa pagtudlo sa mga tao kung saan buhaton na dili papadulong ang disaster o panahon sa disaster. Resources mobilization, ensuring the availability for necessary resources for disaster responding and recovery. For example, resources mobilization natin said kay pag-andam o relative good rescue teammate o medical help para makatabang dayon kung naay kalamidad.